Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on BTC. Yeah, we start on the daily chart. I think it's important also for new viewers to be up to date, especially as we're heading into a new trading week. The weekly candle is approaching. Not much action over the weekend, but the bears were kind of still leading the weekend. And what I will do, I will remove this trend line here. This is really not providing any more value. The price has started to test previous support, especially around this previous gap. That was gap support, right? I can actually probably remove that now. We don't really need that anymore. The idea is currently that we have only from this fourth wave low, from the 11th of March low, potential fourth wave low, we only have a three-wave move up. We're now in a pullback, which could even lead to another low around 75K. At the moment, I'm watching if the market can generate support or find support in a micro support region that I'm sharing on the smaller time frame. I think key support there is around 79K. But there is currently no evidence that the low is in. So we'll take a look at that in a minute on the shorter time frame. But bigger picture-wise, the local trend is down. And there could easily be a bounce from here. And if we get another rally from here, yeah, then this might still just be a B wave. Basically, and I tried to be crystal clear about that, the fact that this rally from the 11th of March low is only a three-wave move up, it opens the door to so many options. So it just means we have to be extremely cautious here. This is not a five-wave move up. With a five-wave move up, either an impulse or a diagonal, we could say that most likely we see upside continuation. I can't say that, okay? I can't say that. It's only a corrective rally. We're printing lower lows, lower highs still. This is the potential for reversal, but it's very clear that the market has failed to form a five-wave move up. Now, I can believe, this or that. It doesn't matter. I'm committed to providing objective analysis, and as you know, as I always say, once we get five waves, the thing is clear. But we don't have five waves, yeah? And therefore, another low is still likely. That would, however, still, I would say, not really change the context. Because even if another low forms, as long as we're holding 69K, the overall idea that we could be in a wave 4 correction remains valid. What we just need to see is some kind of convincing upside reversal signal. Now, from the daily chart point of view, even in a bullish scenario, in the white count, it has space all the way down to 69K. So until we break below that level, nothing really changes. And the route to another high, to maybe around about 130K next, is still open, is still available. That route will become far less likely below 69K. So that's what we're tracking here. But to really understand which scenario is currently leading on the smaller time frame, we have to pay attention to, the 1 hour chart. I want to save that. So the 1 hour chart, for example, or the 30-minute chart. This is where we get detailed info about the shorter time frame. And you can see here, this is zoomed in, the rally from the 11th of March low, from the 10th of March low. It was a three-wave move up. We topped here around the 24th of March high. And now we have, we're testing this Fibonacci support area. So from a bullish point of view, even from a bearish point of view, short-term bullish, let's say short-term bullish point of view, this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and this could be a C wave. So it would just open the door to another rally if we break above initial resistance, and then we'll probably have to be very much on the side of caution in the mid-90K area. This is a pullback in three waves so far, and the next support levels are 81K and 79K. There is a chance that support holds here, but there is nothing that happened over the weekend that would tell me that a low is already in. Rather, even in the white scenario, which is short-term bullish, another low seems likely, and it's quite likely that we're going to test 81K, maybe even 79K. Only a break below 79K, and I'm talking about a decisive break, would open the door to 75K. That would then be next, possibly even 73 to 75K. This is 75K is a Fibonacci level on the larger time frame, and it's also here where this trend line is located, around 73 to 75. This would be the yellow scenario. It's more directly bearish, but it would need a break below the 78.6 retracement to confirm further that this is unfolding. At the moment, they're both moving together anyway, yellow and white. So the question isn't so much which one is it, because the trend is down anyway. I'm just going to watch if after the next low, the market can turn around, start a rally, an impulsive rally, and break above the resistance. Now, at the moment, Fibonacci resistance is between 83,951 and 84,661. Only break above it would indicate that, yeah, the bulls try to make a comeback, yeah. As long as we are below that level, focus remains on further downside, okay? Could we get a wider wave 4 as shown here? Maybe. I mean, it's not guaranteed, don't need it. It could go down directly. That rally that happened over the weekend is in 3 waves, which is why I said nothing happened over the weekend that would suggest that the bulls are taking the lead here yet. Okay, so at least one more low seems likely. If we break down directly, so below the Saturday low, then I assume this was already the wave 4. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.